Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Bumble. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete Bumble on your phone, so please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. There are mainly two ways to delete the Bumble app. First, press and hold the Bumble app icon and tap Uninstall. The second method is to open the PlayStore and search for Bumble. Once you get the search results, tap on it and tap Uninstall. Tap Uninstall again to confirm. And that's how you delete Bumble app on your phone. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.